Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. I'm so excited and thrilled to be back at the beach. This is the south end of Delnor-Wiggins Pass State Park. Down the south end of parking lot 1, and look at all those railroad vines starting to bloom. All those gorgeous little pinkish purple flowers. This was one of Roy's favorite things to look at. He would just stop and stare for hours at these blooms. Pretty soon this is just going to be a sea of color. I had to share it with you. I've been waiting for this for a while. I was wondering what was taking them so long to pop. They're just starting to pop. I guess they were waiting for me to go out of town for a little while. This is like a little welcome back present, a little surprise here. Well, thank you. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Let's see any little bumblebees flying around though. Oh, I take that back. There's a little bumblebee right there flying around. Very cool. Man, great timing. Just couldn't resist sharing this with you. Hit that share button. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. God bless.